Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, to include but not exclude aliens. Welcome back to your favorite little silly little YouTube channel, Never Done Projects. Today is Wednesday. Mike, it's hump day. June the 17th, 2026. I got 10 days till I'm 30. I got a chainsaw and plenty of trees. But yesterday, y'all missed it because I didn't turn you on. 275 60 20 off of a 2025 Silverado, Goodyear Wranglers. He brought some new, if I remember right, they were fancy, like hand hooks or something like that. He had me take these off, put the new ones on. This one has a pretty gnarly plug in it somewhere, right there. Yeah, you can't see it. So yeah, it's got all that gunk from, I mean, that ain't just one plug, that's like 3 or 4 plugs. So he had me do those. I did not turn y'all on, sorry. But I do have, I guess technically a cousin or something like that. She's coming to have these put on. They're a 205 55 16. I know they're the right size because I checked them. Delonte 55,000 mile tire. I like these a lot. I like the Delantes and the Etoros, and they're starting to grow on a lot of people. This is going on the newer, like rounder body style Scion XP. But while we wait on her, I figured now would be as good of a time as any to try to mess with these big old 20s. With these big old, you got dang 295s on them. Yeah, 295 60 20. So yeah, they some big girls, but we like big girls. But I'm gonna go get some more soapy water, not just for these, but whenever she gets here with her XB, I like to spray the wheel down real good like, that way it just slides right off. But I'm gonna go get some more soapy water. I'll turn you on in just a second, probably just a time-lapse version. And honestly, probably just a time-lapse version of doing the XP tires. But I'll be back with you shortly. So, good enough for a briefing? Don't know. Roll the intro, Randy.
Welcome to Never Done Projects.
Randy Hutchins,
where we are just
in
a
his
silly little YouTube channel.
1993 Chevy Camaro Z20.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and consider joining the
Yeah,
member
earlier
on
we
the
had
wall
Randy Hutchins Jr. Now we got Randy Hutchins the third.
for only $4.99 a month. The neighbors see my shop and think it's all a mess, but I'm the best around when I work in a chaotic headspace. I get things done my way, and that's what I like. I shine where things don't fit or they shouldn't fit. Every job is a custom one-off job. I couldn't repeat if I tried. I shine where things don't fit or they shouldn't fit. Every job is a custom one-off job. I couldn't repeat if I tried. I wouldn't say I'm clumsy, I'm just pretty good at failing. Every tool I use was made for something else, but I make it work with my chaotic headspace. I get things done my way, and that's what I like. I shine where things don't fit or they shouldn't fit. Every job is a custom one-off job. I couldn't repeat if I tried. I shine where things don't
I only did 3, but 4th one's back there. I don't know where the tire is. Once I find it, I'll snap some pictures and we'll put them on the book face. 295 60 20. Trail Grappler Mud Terrain Nittos. Somebody probably want them. I don't know, probably quarter to half tread. They're not bad tread at all, even wear. So, bought the wheels for the wheels. Tires just happen to come with it. They upgraded wheels and tires. So, oh well, I don't want tires. We might put them on the wheels on Marketplace, and I ain't gonna do that. I would like what's about like what's on the blue truck, a 295 40 20, and a nice street tire. But I'm sweaty and I'm dirty, so I'm gonna cool down and I'm gonna wash my hands, maybe pick my nose. But I'll be back with y'all shortly with some XP tires. Well, everybody, welcome back. If you can't tell, XP tires. I no more clicked the off button on that clip, and she pulled in. So, yeah, jumped straight from moving those big old behemoth 295 60 20 Nitto Trail Grapplers to doing these. If I remember right, they're like a 205 55 15, something like that. So yeah, little bit of knowledge to bestow on everyone. I think moving those big old Nittos with the tires and wheels around, hey, that was a mistake. Yeah, I'm still feeling it. But yeah, so short video. Sorry, but apparently these time lapses, I turned it down to 5% normal speed, because if it was 100% speed, this almost hour-long process of doing these tires was condensed down to like a few seconds. So thank y'all. Play some kind of song for you, but yeah, short video. Thank you.
There is a lesson you never want to learn, but let me teach you before you get burned. Always know what something is capable of, know what they can do to you. I looked in your eyes and I saw the truth. I will not tell you how to go about it, but people do not change unless they want it. You can pray for mercy, you can beg for grace, still the same old hunger stays on their face. A snake will always bite, you know it now. A snake will always bite, you know it now. Yesterday was friend, today it's skin and teeth. A snake will always bite, that's how it breathes. You called it a phase, I called it a sign. You kept on reaching, I stepped back in time. One hand on my shoulder, one hand on the blade. That kind of lesson does not fade. I learned the hard way what the mask can hide. Pretty words in daylight, venom on the inside. I will not tell you how to go about it, but people do not change unless they want it. You can keep your faith in the sweetest face, but some hearts stay wild when you give them space. A snake will always bite, you know it now. A snake will always bite, you know it now. Yesterday was friend, today it's skin and teeth. A snake will always bite, that's how it breathes. I don't hate the lesson, I hate the cost. Every soft warning gets counted lost. So read the shape before you trust the name. Some things wear a smile but mean the same. A snake will always bite, you know it now. A snake will always bite, you know it now. Yesterday was friend, today it's skin and teeth. A snake will always bite, that's how it breathes.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.